Hi friends, this is Trilochan from Ceylon Software Bhubaneswar. In this video, I will show you how we will download Java 17, then we will install, and then after installation, we will run a Java program. So we will go through Google. So in Google, if I will type Java, just to see what the Wikipedia is representing. So Java 17, this is the current version of Java, and this version have came to the market in 14 September 2021. So when I typed Java in Google, so many Java official links coming to the picture. So you see this link, oracle.com. Just you see this link. Where is my cursor? So you click this link. So now I will open this page, and as we know, Java is completely open source and free software. So happily we can download Java freely. Then after that we will install, and my purpose, my objective is we will install the latest version of Java, that is Java 17. So if I will come to a button place, just to see where is my cursor. So here so many operating system is specifying Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and Windows operating system. My target is I will install Java 17 in Windows operating system. So these are the links. So these are the download links. So when we will click, so Java 17 will download. So before that, so first of all I will choose what Windows operating system. So when I clicked on Windows operating system, just to see, so many link came to the picture. So many download link came to the picture. So you see one option is x64 installer. So you go through this link. So this is the 152 MB size. So now I will click on this link. So when I click this link, so my software downloaded. So guys, so JDK 17 downloaded. So I go through the Java official site, and I have chosen Windows operating system. Then after that, so many download links coming to the picture, and when I will click on x64 installer, this link, when I will click, then JDK 17 downloaded, and so happily it downloaded. Now my download is complete. So I will click, now I will install. So installation is very simple. So now I will click yes. So now Java 17. So that software we are installing. So when JDK 17, we are installing, very simple installation process. So I will click next. Then I will click next option. So installation is very simple. Now installation process is going on. So once JDK installation will complete, so we know that so Java installation consisting two steps. Step number one, currently we completed JDK 17, we downloaded, and then we installed. Then after that, so we will go to next step. Step number two is what? So we have to set the class path. So before that, I will go to C drive, and I will go to program files. So then I will go to Java folder. So when JDK you are installing automatically, inside the program files folder there is a Java folder. So we can see, just I will click just to see. So there is an option. So JDK 17. So now I will click on this. So now this is the what path. So this is the path in C drive. inside the C drive there is a program files folder. Inside the program files folder there is a Java folder. Inside the Java folder there is a JDK folder. Inside JDK folder there is a bin folder. This is the path. This is the current path. Now I will copy. So I copied. Now then I will go to my my computer, right click properties. So then I will go to, so definitely I will go to advanced system settings. Then I click. Then I will click on environment variables. Then I will click just to see there is a path option. Just I double clicked. Now so in path option just to see, so this whatever the path it have specified, so all in the system path just I put semicolon and I pasted here whatever the path I have copied. So now I will click on OK button, then OK button, then OK button. So now my step number 2 is complete. So my installation process is complete. So now for better clarity, so I will go to command prompt. So I will go to command prompt, and so if I will type, so simply if I will type Java hyphen hyphen version, otherwise simply Java C if you will type, then automatically we can get so many what Java related files. So just to see what I typed Java hyphen hyphen version, so what we got Java 17.0.1. So in this way we downloaded Java 17 from the Java official sites. Then after that we installed. Then after installation, then very simply, suppose if I want to write, if I will write a program, so for simple notepad, suppose if I will open, suppose if I will write class name, that is suppose my example. So let public static void main. So simply one program just I want to see. So one output statement, simply I will write system.out.println. So welcome to a Java programming. Welcome to Java programming. So simple program. Suppose if I will what I wrote. So my program name is my example.java. So I will go to, so any drive, D drive or A drive, any drive. Suppose then I will go to a folder. Suppose Java tutorial. Suppose here I will write my example dot java, and I will what do all files. So then I will save. I will go to command prompt. So now I will go to A drive. In A drive, so I will go to Java tutorial. So inside Java tutorial folder I saved my program. So my program name is my example.java. So now I will compile. So Java C space file name my example.java. So now, so there is so now the compilation is successful. Now I will run. So for executing the Java program, so what is the command? So Java space class name. So class name is my example. So simply one output that we got.